One of my favorite parts about living here along Delmarva's coast is when you get to see dolphins and sea turtles and seals this time of year. All of our marine life is so wonderful to see, but it's especially wonderful to see them happy and healthy. But there are some times where, those animals are in distress or they've been struck by a boat. And that's where our friends at the MERR Institute come in. We've got Rector joining us on the CoastLife couch with MERR. And you guys do so much to keep our marine life safe, whether it's, rehabbing a critter or just monitoring a seal when they're on the beach.
Right.
Tell us a little bit about what MERR Institute does, what you guys stand for.
Sure.
If somebody has not yet heard of your organization.
Absolutely, yes. So first, thank you. And second, it's marine education, research, and rehabilitation. So we are the only facility of its kind in the entire state. So we service the entire state of Delaware, all 72, 75 miles of coastline. We monitor that and we receive calls, and we operate 24/7, 365 days a year. So if someone has a stranded marine mammal or a sea turtle that they see, even if it's in the ocean and it seems like it's flailing or something, please give us a call. We have that hotline, and we will respond and send somebody out to take a look at it and make sure that it's okay, that it gets to where it needs to be, or that it's safely protected and not the subject of 100 Instagram real pictures, know. So yeah, that's kind of what we do. And each state has their own organization like ours. Maryland has their own, and New Jersey has their own, and we operate in tandem with all of them, so that if we have a marine mammal or a sea turtle that is more than our facility is equipped to care for, then we network with them to transport those animals to the various areas so that they can receive the proper medical attention and hopefully be swimming back in the ocean very soon.
Yes, and all of that research, education, rehab, it all does, it takes funding.
Yes.
And that is where we come in. And you guys have an awesome fundraiser, or should I say Finraiser, coming up this weekend.
Yes,
and
we do.
It's a really great event. Tell us what's going on.
Yeah, so it's going to be on Saturday. It is at Solero atop the Henlopen Hotel. Doors open at 4 o'clock, goes till 8 o'clock, and it is our biggest fundraiser of the year. Like you said, we operate solely on the goodwill and grants and of the community. But we started a couple months ago. We sent out our amazing volunteers. They canvassed the entire area, and we have so many really cool items from local businesses, from Delaware businesses, and it's a great place to kind of get a jump on your holiday shopping, perhaps.
This is true.
But there's also going to be live music there from 33 and 3rd. There will be artisans there. We have somebody who's going to be making, they have casts, and they're going to be making soap while they're there of marine mammals. Yeah, it's going to be super cool.
If folks are ready to party at Finraiser and they want to get their hands on tickets, where should they go to do that?
So tickets are available on our website. We have only a few remaining left, so get them now. Yes, exactly.
It's a good problem.
That's a good problem to have. So you can go on our website, MERRinstitute.org, and you'll have a little QR code on there that will send you right to the link, and you can purchase your tickets and come on out and enjoy us and have a great time and possibly have some.
Look, if you come see me, I'll pour you a glass. It might just not be what you were expecting. That's all.
Our wine connoisseur.
Well, because here's the thing, you guys have a wine guy, and he knows so much, and then he went to be a part of the rest of the event, and I was like, help. So I'll consult my sheet of paper, I'll pour you a glass of wine, and we can certainly have great conversation. But one more time, the website, and we'll put that QR code up as well if folks want to get their hands on tickets.
Yes, MERRinstitute.org. That's where you can get your tickets, or you can go on Facebook. We also have a link there too, so come on out.
Perfect. Easy peasy. We'll give you a chance to do that because, like Rob said, there really aren't many tickets left. So if you want them, get them now. Rob, it's always a pleasure to have you here on CoastLife.
Looking forward to see you on Saturday.
I'll be there.
Excellent, excellent.
We've got more CoastLife for you to look forward to. That's on the way.